thought that there are three things we shouldn't talk about: sex, politics and religion. But today I'm going to talk about religion.
While I was reading on this topic, I came across a Hindi poem. नफरत का असर देखो, जानवरों का भी बंटवारा हुआ, गाय हिंदू हो गई और बकरा मुसलमान रह गया, पेड़ और पत्ते भी परेशान हो जाए, न जाने कब नारियल गेंडा हिंदू और खजूर मुसलमान हो गया। जिस तरह हम धर्म के नाम पे रंग को भी बांट रहे हैं कि हरा मुसलमान और लाल हिंदू, वो दिन दूर नहीं सारी की सारी हरी सब्जी मुसलमान की हो जाए और हिंदू के हिस्से में सिर्फ गाजर और टमाटर ही रह जाए। अभी समझ में ये नहीं आता कि खरबूज किसके हिस्से में जाए, ये बेचारा तो ऊपर से मुसलमान और अंदर से हिंदू रह जाए। ये बात मजाक में कही है पर बहुत गहरी है।
There is a lot of misinformation about religion. Knowing few things about each other might help us to become more respectful.
The Zoroastrians or the Parsis do not bury their dead bodies. They leave the bodies in a building called Towers of Silence for vultures to feed. After the bones dry, they are swiped in the central well. This is done to avoid polluting the 5 elements. So there is a purpose or reason behind certain rituals and we need to respect them. Mary, the mother of Jesus, is mentioned in Quran. In fact, more information is given about her than the entire Bible. There is even the entire chapter in the Quran titled Mary.
Silver toe rings are worn on the second toe as there is a nerve which starts from toe, goes to the uterus and then to the heart.
Silver toe rings absorbs the energy from the ground or the earth and passes it onto the body. Thereby, good blood circulation helps in strengthening the uterus and speedy conception. Christians believe Jesus was crucified and buried here, and then after, a church was built over centuries ago. But the key to this church is in hands of a Muslim family. Yes, you heard it right. A Muslim family is in charge of the key. There are many reasons for this, and some even say that there was a fight among Greek Orthodox, Armenians and Roman Catholics for the custody of the church. And since Muslim family is in charge of the key, it helps somewhat in keeping the peace among them. India has the maximum number of mosques as compared to any other countries in the world, around 5 lakhs to be precise. And India is also known a home for third largest Muslim population in the world. Mother Mary's wedding ring has been passed down through the generation of a Jewish family. Legends claim that a goldsmith from Italy received this ring from a Jewish merchant, and there are countless miracles and legends surrounding this ring. Hindu, not a religion. Even in the great epics and religious texts of India, namely the Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata, one cannot find the word Hindu. It was foreigners who decided to call the people living in the other side of river Indus as Hindus, eventually since people made it a religion.
Hey, this is my first English and Hindi mixed video because कुछ बातों का मज़ा हिंदी में ही आता है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद नहीं आया तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए। If you have liked my video, then do share and comment. And I feel it doesn't matter in which language the video was. What matters is the message behind this